I haven't really woken up yet, but we're on our way to Cat Island at the moment. It's early, but really, really nice day. And I'm on a ferry, which is one of my favourite things to be on. Out of all the things you can be on. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'm allergic to cats though, so if I get swarmed, I'm going to be really angry. I'm going to kick them right out of the way. So yeah, we're on our way to Cat Island. There's really big waves today, which is fun. The girls keep screaming behind us. Yeah, that's where we walked to from the station, the port over there. We got a train from Sendai early this morning. It's not actually early now. I'm starting to wake up. I'm really enjoying this ferry ride. It's woken me right up. Yeah, we got up early to get a train from Sendai. Got the train to this place and walked half an hour to the port. How big the waves are. Yeah. Okay, I'm not sure, but I have a feeling this could be Cat Islands. We've been travelling for about 40 minutes now. I think the boat ride's supposed to be around 50. So, yeah, I've got a sneaking suspicion. Is this a port? I don't know what that beep meant. Okay, maybe I should sit down. Okay, so this is the first port. We're getting off at the next port. I'm just trying to see if I can see any cats. I see zero cattage. Looks quite run down, which I like. Obviously coming from Tokyo where it's quite built up. I just got a super fun island to explore. I think there's a little conveni on the island somewhere, run by some old woman, so it'd be cool to buy some paper and a pen, get a little bit of writing done if I can. But yeah, there's a lot more trees I thought there'd be. I thought the island would be more barren. Looks like it's doing alright for itself. Oh, the little beach is so cool. Gonna happily chill out there. Looks like a little slab sticking out from that rock. Strange. Where does this port lead to? Dock, sorry. Steps down to the beach. It must be. But I can't see it. I don't know, it's strange. Here you go. Now the sea sparkling, glistening like 1,000 stars. So, this is the right port now. We've arrived. There's a big building over there. Still see zero cats. Oh, cats! Our first cats! Oh, they're super fluffy. This cat snuck out of that basket there behind the other two cats. He's come right in the middle of the road, he's going to get run over. Cat, what are you doing? Why you come over here? Do you want a little stroke? I feel like he wants a stroke. Does he? Full of fleas. Okay, let's continue. Don't get run over, cat. This place is super interesting. It's like Shack Island. Seems really run down. Just come across our next two cats down this little side road. They seem really chilled, not bothered by humans at all, which is probably good. Nope, not today, Satan. I'm trying to look for food, I'm starving. There's a sign this way that had a fish on it and said food or something, so we'll see what's down here. He's eating a stick. Loving that stick. Ineko. He's enough. It's a cat riding a motorbike. There's two up there.
One over there. One is sleeping under there. By a pond. Ah, these ones are best friends. I love this motorbike. Oh, there's loads over there. Oh, look. Yeah, they're best friends, these ones. Ride together, die together. Next batch of cats. I guess because, oh, someone's filming it. I guess because it's warm, they've all come out to hang out on the road. Do you want konnichiwa for your fleas? Yeah. I'll sit next to you. Okay. There's a lady over there trying to chase her cat down, but he keeps running away. I see you just chilling up there. He just collapsed. That lady got a cat? He does not look happy though. She's my new favourite. Stealing all the cats. We're following a sign to Manga Island. Look at this one peeping right in that house. He's getting right good looking there, isn't he? Sumimasen? Don't squeak at me, little girl.
Not fishy happy.
Let's try this one. Got your nickel? Okay, never mind. Okay, we're still walking to Manga Island and we come across this torii gate. So, let's see what's up it. I film it the wrong way around. Cool, a little shrine. Just found this little way through some bamboo. Thought we'd check it out. Could just be someone's house, but hey. Huh. A grave or a shrine or something. Definite highlight of Rabbit Cat Island so far. This little shrub thing's absolutely loving life. It cannot get enough. Absolutely beautiful. Nani, what do you want? What? What? What's up?
You know really well.
What do you want? Good cat.
No.
What?
That's a belly rub.
Do you want a belly rub? What? Don't headbutt me. What?
Oh, this one's the cutie.
You been a good cat? Ineko desu ka?
That's a bit loving.
Wait, what? What? Oh no. It's having the best time. What a snaggletooth, see a snaggletooth sticking out. I'm allergic to cats, my nose is running. You're kidding me, what are you doing to me? So I think this is a shrine. Is it? Yeah, temple I mean, sorry. Let's see if we can go in. That's cool. Sliding bit stiff. There you go.
I don't think you're allowed to go in.
Why'd you say that? There's a sign to it. Sugoi. So this is pretty bizarre. Like the rest of the island. It was an interesting building, but it's still derelict. You can see what's over here? Don't know what's down there. But you can see, like the rest of the island, that this building's pretty derelict. It's got holes in the curtains. It looks pretty shabby, but the building itself is quite modern and cool. It's bizarre. Maybe some sort of helicopter landing area. I mean, there's a big open area just there. Strange. There's some tarmac just behind it. Can we see in? So there's absolutely nothing in here. There's also a site just behind us with CCTV and big metal gates. So maybe some sort of secret military base here with all the nuclear weapons. You heard it here first. Cat Island is a terrorist organisation run by cats. Never trusted them. Also, I'm starving. Love you, bye. So it is a helipad. Very bizarre. See red, so I'm assuming this is the cat shrine. Yeah, there's actual cats here. Amazing. It's awesome. Sugoi. Just trying to have a rest and we got invaded by a cat. Won't let us drink water.
Yeah, 神様かもよ。ゴッドかも。
It's a god. It's not a baby. It's a little god.
どれが神様かわからない。
It's a holy cat.
I heard that this cat was killed by the rock, and the person, the owner of the cat, he built this shrine, and he devoted this shrine for his beloved cat. And it, I guess, means a lot to people who live here and people who live here as well.
葬られてないよ。別のカッツ差し込みで使えるように。さっき寄りにしちゃうとか、さっき違う感じ。
I was absolutely desperate to get a cat shrine selfie. This effing film crew drove right up in our grill and interviewed us. We're going to be on a show called Cool Japan.
Cool in Japan.
Cool in Japan. That's me. They know me well. They've thought Cool in Japan, who we're going to go to, all the way to Cat Island to find Granto-chan to do an interview for Cool in Japan. It's going to be on Channel 1 in Japan sometime in May, one Sunday at 6 p.m. But yeah, they ruined my selfie chance. So instead of that selfie, you got me on Japanese TV. It's really embarrassing though, because I said, how do you hear about Cat Island? And obviously I've heard about it through YouTube. I've heard about it through my favourite YouTubers, which I do know the names of: Abroad in Japan, Rachel and Jun, and Charlotte in Japan, my favourite Japanese YouTubers, not Japanese, Japan YouTubers. but I got the names completely wrong because I panicked because I was on TV. I'm like, Chris Broadin, Jen, and I don't know the husband. Totally ashamed of myself. So if any of you YouTubers happen to watch that video, I was trying to be friends with you through a shameless plug of your channels on national TV, but I totally fucked it up. But could you please be friends with me anyway, because I want to hang out with you all. Also, I don't know if I caught it on camera. I did a sneak filming of their filming. Oh, stop sneezing from my video. I did a sneak filming of their filming, and I don't know what nationality the girl was. She had a very interesting accent. She looked sort of Japanese, but also Western, and she had very light eyes. But I think they were contacts. She was very pretty, but I don't know what was going on with her nationality. But that's the thing, I guess she wasn't Japanese because the Japanese people kept telling her like how to even pray at the shrine, but then she could speak Japanese to the Japanese guy that was there, so I'm very confused. But there was one bit where, I mean, might have done the same thing. There's like a cat on the shrine when she was praying. She's like, "Alright baby, there's a good baby," and the woman's like, "Stop filming now, that is not a baby, that is a god cat, how dare you, you completely shamed our show and our culture, get off this island." It was really funny. Here's one of why I embarrassed myself on Cool in Japan. One of the questions was, did you bring any snacks? I know I've been going on the whole way through filming about how hungry I am, because it was like a mission to get to that mountain. We're walking down it now, but it's taken like an hour to walk to the top. It's hot and I'm starving. I'm really hungry. We've had nothing to eat all day, and so one of the questions was, did you bring any snacks? So I thought she meant for us. I'm like, "Oh no, I'm starving, you got anything? Is there anything on the island I can get anywhere?" She's like, "No, I mean for the cats." I'm like, "Oh no, me first, I need to eat before them, thank you very much." Yeah, so this video is pretty much turned into a behind the scenes of Cool in Japan, so yeah, you're welcome. So in the other part of Cat Island, the first port, there's some sort of thing playing. I guess there's going to be an announcement, or maybe it's 12 o'clock. Oh, okay, cool. That's really cool. It's like a town-wide alarm clock. Sometimes they call me Grunty. Oh, no, never mind. How long is this for an alarm? I feel like everyone's got the message. Okay, good. Shouldn't stop filming, this is awesome. Again, no idea what it is, looks really run down, but it's cool. Already cats. So, there are cats in the two towns, and then a few cats by the shrine. And then no cats anywhere else. Hashtag Cat Island. And yeah, so here's the pool. Obviously this town is significantly smaller than the other one, but you know, it looks slightly better kept. The houses look like they're falling apart less. So this one's nice. I think we found what used to be a restaurant, which isn't massively helpful, especially for the old hunger. Oh look, there's a little thing in the woods there. So look, it's got like tiles where a restaurant used to be. Also, there's cat boys absolutely everywhere down here. Yeah, nice house up there. And some beautiful ocean. Just a really nice day, really nice weather. Just feeling the roads. Just been hanging out here for a little bit and loads of cats have come to join us. There's more behind me and up there, but they're probably hard to get on camera, I can't bother to move. Yeah, just chilling out with some cats by the sea. Right, little catty. I got a cat by the sea. Thanks. We're being invaded. We're coming out of the woodworks and walking down towards us. So we're just going to walk up a different path and we stumbled across this. Another shrine. What's he got? Oh! What's he got? A little gecko. So I reached the top. Oh my god, that almost killed me. It's beautiful though. Left it back halfway down the stairs. It's been nightmares going down again. God. It was totally worth it though. I may have a quick pray. That's how you do it. So this is behind the shrine, sort of bamboo walkway. Looks awesome. Because you're about to walk up a mountain, I don't want to go all the way to the top, but you know, it's cool though, right? This is about halfway down, or up, depending on which way you're going. Maybe it was an area that used to have water in where you cleanse your hands. No, it's some sort of mini shrine that's fallen over. All the itchy ends. Oh look, there's a 50 there as well. And 100, oh wow. I thought we'd try a shortcut. Make a change instead of going up the road. Seems to be heading the same direction as the road, but it skips out the corner. So fingers crossed, it leads us to where we need to go, and it'll be a lot nicer route. Or it could lead to nowhere. So has bamboo been cut? Found where I stored the bodies, all stashed away, all nice up there. Finally made it back. I think we've got some time to try and see if that kombini's open from earlier. If it was a kombini, I don't know. But yeah, look, it's such a nice day. If we had time to not try and get food, I'd go sit on there. I really want to climb this thing really bad, but I've got 0 energies, and that's literally the only reason why I'm not doing it. So
I'm being packed. I'm just trying to eat a custard, but I'm so hungry. I finally got food. I'm Big Bob.
came back and stroked that super fluffy white and ginger cat one last time, but now we've got to get the ferry, which is a shame. So here's one last bit of Cat Island for you.